In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to create a membership website using Wix. Wix is a powerful CMS and one of the most potent and one of the most popular in the market right now. So the first thing you need to do is to just go create a Wix account, and it is very, very easy. All you need is your email and your password, and you can create a Wix account. Immediately you are brought to this dashboard. And if I look on all sites, I don't have a website here yet. I have this old website, but it's not yet published. So I want to click on create a new website. And immediately brings me to this page. And it asks me start from a blank canvas or start from a template. If you want to start from a blank canvas, you are going to be building everything from scratch. I'm just going to click on start from a template. And it brings me to all of these templates. Since I'm creating a membership website, I want to search here for membership and click on enter. So I see all of these websites: yoga meditation studio, NGO, yoga studio, fitness studio. I'm going to go with this fitness studio. I want to view it first of all, and it's going to preview it on the new page. So it tells me Paul Studio. And this website has plans which we can use for membership. So these are the various plans. So this is very, very ideal for our use case. So I'm going to click on edit. And I'm just going to leave this one open for preview. So we can continue to preview. It says here, become a member. And you can see the mobile layout. It's very mobile friendly. So this is the best template for our use case. If I come back here, Wix Studio is loading. Now the template has been installed, but it appears it brought me to the Wix Studio instead of the Wix editor itself. So if I click on publish and it brings me, I'll just say save and continue. I'm not going to be adding my domain name yet. I'll just click on this particular site to open my toolbox here. And I see all of these sections. All of these sections here. I'll just close this for now. It's actually saving my website. I'll say, okay, done. I don't want to connect my domain name for now. I want to go to home. You can see the pages here: plans, trainers, plans, book a class, privacy, terms and conditions, accessibility, and all that. We can make changes on this website on the front end here. We can change this text as it is. I can come to this side and make changes. Pardon me. I'll click on this and I can change the text on this side. I'm going to leave it as it is for now. I can also change this picture of this lady behind me. You can see it on this right side. I can change that. I can also change the padding and the margin. I can change the overlay of this picture, the opacity of this picture. Now I want to come to this side. I'll click on this plus and I want to look for apps. I'm going to be looking for apps. I'll come here to the app market. I'll click on that. And it will take a little bit of time to load. Now that the app market is loaded, I'll just search for membership. Membership. And it's going to give me a number of results. So this is what I was looking for: Wix pricing plans. And it is already installed on my website. Because you remember when we were looking at the template, we saw the membership already installed, already integrated on the website. So I can now just go back to my pages. I'll go back to my pages and I want to go to plans. I'll click on plans. Now I'll highly advise you to use the Wix editor itself because the Wix Studio is a bit buggy sometimes. So these are the various plans I have. These are the various plans I have here. I could edit them. And when I click, it takes me back to the dashboard. It tells me set up pricing plans to sell your services on content on your website. I'm going to click on start now. I already have these plans, so I don't need to come here to create new plans. I already have these ones. I can edit this now. If I should come here on this website and come to plans, it shows me this new member 100 monthly unlimited $50 personal training program $150. So I want to believe these are the things we have here: monthly, new member trial, and all that. I can click on edit to see how each of these work on the back end. So this is the pricing I've put here, and it gives all the perks. So these are the features of this particular plan: unlimited classes, open studio access, benefits. So offer services as a member with this plan. I'll just leave it the way it is. Offer this plan free of charge. No, I want it to be paid. And then it's going to be €100 in my case. In your case, it could be $100. And payment frequency should be a month, and the length is per year. And you can also charge a setup fee. You can also enable a free trial so that they could try this plan for 7 days. And if they choose, they could continue. And you could also limit it to 1 subscription per person. Maybe you don't want people to subscribe and resell their access, and then they can subscribe and set their start date. Let's say I want to subscribe now, but I'm not ready to start yet. I'm ready to start maybe in about a week. You could allow that. You could also add policies. You could also add additional information at the checkout, and you could create a custom thank you page. So you can go and do all of that. You can also add the benefits here or the perks. You want to see shower, you can add that and see free shower. I don't know if that qualifies as a good perk. And you can also add some more. I'm just going to delete this. So this is a preview, and you can rename this. You can also add a plan card image. And then after doing all of this, make sure to save. So this is how it's going to look. They're just showing you a preview. Right now, I will just close this. And I want to come back here, still on pages. I want to look at the member area. It should give me a member area. So this is the sign up. You have the sign up, and we have the login. I want to look at member page. I'll click on this. So this is the my account area. Here, the customer can see the account, their first name, their phone number, their last name. If I scroll down, they will see other information. They can also see their bookings from here. They can also see their bookings. They can also see their wallet, and they can see their subscriptions. So this is a preview of how this member area is going to look. Now I can preview this particular page. Now when I preview this, it shows me. So if I go to bookings, it's going to show them their upcoming bookings here. And they can also see their past bookings here. So it says you don't have any past bookings. For the upcoming bookings, it keeps loading on N. And if they go to their wallet, they will see any payment gateways that they have here, like their debit cards or their PayPal and all that. And then they're going to see their subscriptions too. For now, there are no subscriptions purchased. So I'm going to click back to the editable screen. Now, this is an example of what it's going to look like. It shows me here, I'm on the Pro plan, it's active. I used to be on the VIP plan, but that expired. Then I shifted down. I came down to the Pro plan. And I also have a beginner plan. So this is an example of how this area is going to look. One other important thing that we need to do is to come back to our settings, and we need to add a payment gateway. Now, this is Wix Studio. It's a bit complicated. The first thing I'll do is that I'll come to where you see my business. I'm just going to click on that, my business, and it's going to show me week's bookings, week's pricing plans, week's members areas. I want to click on that. And then it's going to show me this button that says manage members. I'll click on that. Now here, I can see all those who have registered, subscribed to my channel. So I could filter them by pending, by blocked, by site members. I have just one right now. Now I want to come down to settings. I'll come down to settings, and you can configure your payment settings here. Accept payments. As accept payments, choose the way to get paid by customers. And here you can configure PayPal. You can configure credit card, PayPal, manual payments. You can even add Stripe. So this is how to do bookings and payments. If I come back to settings, you could also do SEO. You can set up taxes here, invoices and quotes. Maybe you don't want people to pay directly. You want to be able to send invoices and quotes. You can also configure emails here, site member settings. What access do they have? Privacy and cookies, pricing plan settings. You can also configure your checkout. What information do you want on your checkout page? You can do that here. And then notification. When someone purchases a subscription, what kind of notification should they get? Then you can also do your settings, your inbox settings here. Now, after all that is done, you definitely want to come back to your pages and begin to edit them as you so desire. Let's say you want to come to the home page and you want to edit this page. You want to redesign the page to look more posh, more befitting. You want to change some pictures here. You also want to change the colors and all that. You can also change the headings and the footers. So all in all, this is how your website is going to look. It's going to look something like this unless you change the design. So if I come to PulseFit, this is the home page. If I come to classes, if I click here on classes, it should take me to the classes page. So these are the classes. You can book this and it's going to take you to one of those plans. And then if I come to plans, I can select one of these plans and book and subscribe to this website. So in a nutshell, that is how you create a membership website using Wix. And in this case, we used the Wix Studio. If you got any value out of this video, please subscribe to my channel, turn on the notification bell so that when I put out videos like this, you'll be the first to be notified. Please like this video and God bless you. Peace.